Hello, and welcome to this video tutorial on how to use AGS's OCM ERP tool for change planning and management. My name is Francesca, and I'm the lead content producer for AGS. Today, I will be providing you with a step-by-step introduction and an overview of how to use this tool and each module within this change management tool. If you're watching this tutorial in several videos, this is the first video in the series. Most AGS products are Excel-based, which was a strategic decision because most people are familiar with Excel. OCM ERP is an acronym for Organizational Change Management Enterprise Resource Planning. When you open the OCM ERP tool for the first time, you will land on the main dashboard page. After that, whenever you open the tool, you will land on the page that was last opened before the tool was closed. For today's tutorial, we will start with an overview of the Change Management Tool's main dashboard page. You'll see 9 buttons in the middle of the main dashboard of the OCM ERP tool. You can think of this as your command central for reaching all areas of the tool. These icon buttons on the main dashboard page will take you to 8 individual modules within the tool, as well as the change plan template. Each module is designed to work together and provide you with everything you need for your change management program. Once you click into each area, you'll have access to a tab that brings you back out to this main dashboard at any time. The first 4 buttons and modules are as follows. The Change Impacts module is for assessing, tracking, and managing change impacts. The Organizational Readiness module is for assessing, tracking, and managing organizational change readiness. You'll use the Change Champion Networks module to establish, engage, and manage a Change Champions network. The Communications module is for planning, tracking, and managing communications. The next 5 buttons on the second row are as follows. The Change Plan template is a free template for your change management plan. It's the only icon button on this change planning and management dashboard that is not a module. The Leadership Coaching module covers planning, implementing, and managing change coaching activities. You'll use the Stakeholder Management module for assessing, engaging, and managing stakeholders. The next button is the Resistance Management module, which is for identifying, managing, and mitigating resistance to change. The last button takes you to the Employee Training module, which covers planning, implementing, tracking, and managing training programs. To the right section of the main dashboard, you will see the menu column. The first item on this column is the Read This First link. Clicking on this link will take you to a page within the tool that includes some pieces of highlighted information. The second link on the Organizational Change Management Tools menu column takes you to the Password page. This is where you can access the password to unlock and relock pages within this tool. Clicking on the third link takes you to the Tutorials page, where you'll find a link to a tutorial for each module in the tool. The next link is the License page link. This will provide you details on the licensing rights you have for using this tool. Purchasing this tool involves a single user right of usage, and so giving this tool to multiple people to use is not permitted. Additional versions of the tool need to be purchased for other users. If you have any questions while using the OCM ERP tool, all you have to do is click on the Questions, click the Contact AGS link in the menu column to draft a message to the AGS support team. The next item to be aware of on the main dashboard's menu column is the Analytics Dashboard Links button. I'm going to click that now. The Analytics Dashboard Links button takes you to a page that gives you a one-click link to each of the analytics dashboards in all 8 change management modules within the tool. As we go through each module later in this tutorial, you'll see what each of those dashboards looks like. When on any page within the OCM ERP tool, you'll find a Main Dashboard tab at the top left-hand side of the page that you can use to get back to the Organizational Change Management Tool's main dashboard. The next button on the main dashboard's menu column beneath the Analytics Dashboard Links button is the Refresh All Analytics button. When the Refresh All Analytics button is clicked, it refreshes the analytics dashboards with any new data that has been entered into each module. It's a good rule of thumb to always click this refresh button before looking at your analytics dashboards. As you go through the Change Planning tool, on each individual module's analytics dashboard, you will find a Refresh Analytics button. Next on the menu column, there are two links to two very important pages that you should be aware of. The first one is the Enter Unique List of Orgs page. This is where you will enter the list of your organization's divisions, departments, and groups that will be impacted by the project. To ensure consistency in nomenclature, it is a best practice to use a centralized list of names. This list is then used as a drop-down menu on the columns in the databases within several of the change management modules. This ensures that everyone is using the same nomenclature when populating each database. Once you enter this data, the modules will pull from this master list. The other page is the Enter Unique List of Job Roles page, where you will enter the job roles that will be impacted by the change. Just like the list of divisions, departments, and groups, certain modules within the OCM ERP tool will access this unique list of job roles. This list will be used as a drop-down option on one or more of the columns within the module databases. Beneath each of these two pages is a link to a tutorial for that particular page. Let's first look at the Unique List of Orgs page, which is the page where you'll need to enter a unique list of organizations, including divisions, departments, and groups. To access this page at any time, go to the main dashboard page and click on the Enter Unique List of Orgs link in the menu column. Before providing an overview of the Unique List of Orgs page, let us first address the key reason why we chose to use a unique list structure. To ensure consistency in nomenclature, it is a best practice to use a centralized list of names. This list will then be used as a drop-down menu on the template database in some of the modules within the OCM ERP tool for business change planning and management. This structure is important because it ensures that you or anyone else entering data is using the same nomenclature when populating the template database. For example, a unique list structure limits when someone inputs upper level as upper space level 2 words, and someone else enters upper level as 1 word, or upper level with different capitalizations, or upper dash level with a hyphen. Inconsistent variations lead to data integrity and consistency issues, which is why using a unique list of organizational names is essential. Next, let us go over the various columns that you will see on the Unique List of Orgs table. The first column you will see is the Division column. This is where you will enter the unique list of all divisions within your company. The second column is where you will enter the unique list of all departments within your company. Use the Group column to enter the unique list of groups across your organization. Where possible, make sure to include the list of every organization within your company. This way they are all included as part of the drop-down options in the template databases in the appropriate modules for easy selection. Now we'll click the Main Dashboard tab at the top left to get back to our Command Central, the OCM ERP Tools Main Dashboard page, and we'll look at the Unique List of Job Roles page. Note, you can also click the house icon at the top to return to the main dashboard. Now we'll look at the Unique List of Job Roles page. To access this page at any time, go to the Main Dashboard page and click on the Enter Unique List of Job Roles link in the menu column. Before providing an overview of the Unique List of Job Roles page, let us first address the key reason why we have chosen to use a unique list structure. To ensure consistency and uniformity, it is a best practice to use a centralized list of job roles. This list will then be used as a drop-down menu on the template database in some of the modules within the OCM ERP tool. This ensures that everyone is using the same terms and roles when populating the database. For example, it limits situations where people enter inconsistent variations, like Project Space Manager 2 words versus Project Manager as 1 word versus Project Dash Manager with a hyphen. Inconsistent variations lead to data integrity and consistency issues, which is why using a unique list of job roles is essential. We are using a unique list of job roles for the same reasons why we are using a unique list for divisions, departments, and groups. To populate the Job Roles column on this page, you can save time by asking your HR department or the appropriate resource for a list of job roles across the organization. Copy the provided list and save as text onto the Job Roles column. It is important that you right-click and save the data as values to maintain existing formatting. Where possible, make sure to include in the list every job role across your company. This way they are all included as part of the drop-down options on the template databases in the appropriate modules for easy selection. And that concludes the overview of the Unique List of Orgs and Unique List of Job Roles pages. To get back out to the main dashboard from this page, just click the house icon at the top. And this concludes our high-level overview of the OCM ERP Tools main dashboard. All of the information that I have provided today is documented in the instructions and tutorial page of the tool. Just go to the main dashboard and in the menu column, click on Tutorials, and you'll find the job aid for using this tool. Once again, my name is Francesca, and I'm the lead content producer for AGS. I hope this step-by-step video tutorial will be a great learning process for helping you understand how to use this tool and modules, as well as understanding the overall infrastructure of this organizational change management enterprise resource planning tool. If you have any questions, or if you need additional features and capabilities to be developed for you, just send us an email and your question or request will be routed to the right contacts. Next, we're going to review each of the individual modules within the tool, beginning with the Change Impacts module. If you are watching this end-to-end OCM ERP tutorial in a series of separate videos, the video on the Change Impacts module is the one to watch next.